So we start off today's video with the hair transformation. So the stylist does an undercut and then adds in some color. Ooh, beautiful rosy pink color. Wow, this is so pretty. And because of the Barbie movie, pink hair is definitely having a moment once again. And I am loving that pixie undercut. Very cute. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And today's video is going to feature some more amazing hair transformations. So if you're looking for some new ways that you can shake up your boring strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful layered haircut for the next makeover. Great way to add in some volume. So moving on to look number 3, we see someone rocking out a bob. She decides to switch things up with a bit of a trim. I am loving the bangs and the dramatic angle. Wow, this is such a chic hairstyle. Very cute. Next up, we have someone with mid-back length hair. The stylist does a nice lob here. Oh, very nice. Now this is a great length if you want to go short, but you want to keep a lot of length. You still have a lot of options when it comes to styling. Very nice. And then we move on to the next transformation. So she has some really pretty copper colored hair. So it looks like he's going to be adding in some layers for this one. Styling the hair with the Bardo bang look. It looks like he's doing more of like a shaggy texture. Oh, very nice. I love this like undone look, and her hair color is just absolutely beautiful. And then for our last hairstyle for today, we have this really cute shaggy bob style. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.